Hello, my name is Simone Attles, and I'm a first-year bio pre-med major from New Jersey, and I served as the principal investigator for this research project.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Creggett. I'm a first-year bio pre-med major from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm the co-PI.
Hi, I'm McIntyre. I'm a first-year bio pre-med major from Chicago, Illinois, and I served as the data manager.
The first thing that we wanted to talk about was our research question. And our research question was, how does the weather, specifically precipitation, affect the observance of migratory birds of prey?
So we analyzed the data recorded about the observance of migratory birds of prey at Lighthouse Point in New Haven, Connecticut, which was located at the eastern part of the New Haven Harbor. It served as a functional lighthouse for 73 years and is good for observance because you have a 360 view of the park. The climate has hot, humid summers and cool, dry winters, and there's also 52 years of data saved on the hot count site regarding observance of the migratory birds of prey.
So now we're going to talk about our methodology, and in that there's many steps, and the first step is birds and their behavior, and obviously their migration. The next step is the people that watch the birds and collect data on them and input them into which would be our third step, which is a hawk site. And then we collect the data from this hawk website and produce results like some of the charts and tables you see on our poster.
And moving on to the results, based off our hypothesis, we thought that the birds were going to be affected by the weather. If you look at the chart to above to the right, you can see when it was raining, there was a low amount of birds seen. And then we also saw that more birds were seen in 2021 than in 2020. And in the pie chart down below, you can see that there's a bigger percentage for the birds, such as the shark-shin and the broad-winged hawk. And in the bottom chart, you see there's a higher bar percentage for in 2021 and in 2020, and it's like a 3% percentage difference. So we noticed there was a higher abundance in 2021 than in 2020.
So because there were more birds observed in 2021 than in 2020, we could say that COVID could have potentially affected the observance of the migratory birds. However, because after the t-test was performed and the t-score was only found to be 0.66, meaning that the difference in abundance from 2020 to 2021 is insignificant. So going forward, we could do, out of 52 years of data that was on the site, we only chose 2 years. So maybe doing a project that encompassed a longer span of time could have allowed us to observe other trends in the years, which might have been the reason for the lower species count in 2020. Also, other research projects did also note that there were a lower observance in the species in 2020 than in 2021. However, it was concluded that that could have been due to changes in human behavior due to the pandemic and not as a direct result of COVID. Also, less birds were observed on rainy days than clear ones. So that data supported our hypothesis that weather did have an effect on the observance of migratory birds of prey.
And moving on to the acknowledgements, we would like to thank Dr. Dash, the coordinator of the Hawk Site, Lighthouse Point, Stephen Mayo, and the National, the National Grant Foundation, Science Foundation, grant number 19119. If you can see down below, we would like to thank you all for allowing us to do this research project. Thank you.